Okay, so two-way tables. How are we going to lay out a two-way table if we want to put some data into that table? Now, along the top and down the side go the variables. So in this case, it's male and female who have bought different types of cars, but it could be anything. It could be males and females who do rugby or play football. It doesn't matter, but whatever the variable categories are, they go along the top and they go along the side. Now the count information goes in the cells in the middle of the table, so how many males bought an SUV and how many females bought an SUV, also how many females bought a sports car and how many males bought a sports car. So all the count information goes in these cells here. Now the columns add up to the totals in the bottom and the rows also add up to the totals at the side. So the two-way table is composed of three different elements really. You've got your categories or your variables down the side. You've got your count information in the middle, and along the bottom and along this side you have the totals. And that all helps you to work out further information and further data about these tables. In this bottom right hand corner here, you have the row total, which should also be the same as the column total. So if you make them different, you've not added them up right. And the numbers that are in the central cells, the numbers of the information that's been counted, should also add up to the total in this bottom right hand corner here. So again, if these don't add up to this, then you have done your table incorrect.